Monitor and control project work process is carried out throughout the project lifecycle until the project closure activities start. The key purpose of this process is to track, review, and report the project's progress. The project manager compares the work performance information with the project management plan and checks if the project work is proceeding as per plan or not. If there are variances, then a change request may be created to update the project management plan. The project manager may review other aspects besides the overall project's progress. For example, risks status, deliverables status, approved change requests status, timely documentation updates, forecasts, and project's alignment with the business case. The main output of the process is the work performance report. The report may be created weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. It is rare that a project is not tracked at least on a monthly basis. The information for the report is collected from all the other monitor and control processes except perform integrated change control. Work performance reports can be created in different formats. These can be textual, tabular, graphical, or a combination. A visual report is more appealing and easier to understand. A stoplight chart showing statuses of various deliverables on the scale of red, yellow, and green is one great example. The reports can be presented physically to a group in a meeting, or these can be sent by email to recipients, or these can be added to a database and they show up on an online dashboard when the stakeholders want to view it. The report can be a simple one-page or a comprehensive detailed report. The size of the report depends on the organizational practice and the project management plan. Now, following are some things that may be included in the report. Current status report on how the project has progressed scope-wise, time-wise, and cost-wise. How the project is trending. If things went bad, are they getting better or vice versa? It may show time and cost forecast for the remainder of the project. Earned value graphs and other information can also appear. Defect report that may be presented in a histogram format. Reserve burn down chart showing how much reserves have been used up and what's left. Summary of risks, especially major risks, and what steps are in place to manage those risks. Contract performance status. If a seller is engaged to do some project work, that can be included. And any other important information will be part of that. Now, one other thing that we must remember is that if we need any help from management or sponsor, that should be put on in the report. Creating information that goes into the report comes from various analysis. These include variance analysis, compare the actual progress with the project management plan and check if there are any variances. Alternative analysis, compare two or more options to see which option is preferable. Cost benefit analysis, determine the costs and benefits of various options so that a better financial decision can be made. Earned value analysis. Earned value analysis is used for establishing the project status using the earned value technique. Root cause analysis. If the project is facing a problem, root cause analysis can help identify the root cause of the problem and a solution to fix the problem. The result of the analysis can provide a recommendation to change the plan, so a change request will be put up. So this is what happens in monitor and control project work process.